guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be this makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then keep on watching.
What's up everyone? So we are gonna start with two primers. I have a tone adjusting primer and Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. So I'm using that just to fill the pores that I have, so you know we have a really nice base to start with. Next will be NYX foundation. I'm just putting it all over my face so it's even, and then blending it with a beauty sponge. Yeah, I said ta-da! And I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just concealing all the things that I need to conceal. Yikes. Yes, like my dark circles, blemishes, and that is a bothersome hair strand, so yeah. Yes, anyway, so dark circles and highlighting as well. Yes, girl. And then I am going to, sorry for the blurry video by the way, next is I am going to blend it because you don't want to go outside with unblended concealer. Next is powder, so I'm going to set it with a powder and a powder brush, and I'm using a dabbing motion, not swiping motion. Yes, yes girl, yes. Next will be the eyebrows, and I'm using two products for this, the eyebrow pencil and a brow gel. By the way, all the products that I'm using right now will be listed down below. Yeah, so you don't need to worry about that. And so I'm just filling the gaps that I have with a brow pencil, and then I'm gonna set my brows with a brow gel obviously, and just making sure that everything's set and not moving, because we don't want that at all. And I made a mistake, but I'm still going for it, just making sure that, yeah, just making sure everything's good. And then I'm gonna clean that mess with a clean brush, removing that. And then next will be brush with concealer, so I'm just concealing it and making sure that it's hidden, you know, and it worked, as you can see. Yes, yep. And next will be eyeshadow, and the focus of this look will not be the eyeshadow of course, but the lipstick. So we're just gonna make like a neutral eyeshadow look. So I'm using that shade for my base and transition color. So I'll put that all over my eyelid and including the crease and everything. So you can see it's a very nice color. It's kind of like a pinkish brownish but very light as well. Very good for transition, as I would say. Yes. And next will be, this is a contour powder, but I'm using it just to deepen my eye a little bit. So I'm just gonna be focusing on the center of the lid, not above the crease. So you can see it just adds a little bit of color, not a lot. And next is I'm just putting shadow as well on my lower lashes so it looks nice, and using a clean blending brush, just blending the edges so nothing's harsh and it looks nice, because you know we're not harsh. And then next will be eyeliner, and I have a hooded eye, so hooded eyes needed like eyeliners that are like thin and really close to the lash line. And with that being said, I'm also putting a little bit of flick, like a baby flick, not a lot, because that is not what I'm going for. Next will be curling my lashes because prepping for the mascara. Yes, so I'm just using my favorite mascara, and this is from Maybelline. This is waterproof and it's really hard to remove and really gives length and volume. I really love this one. For now, this is the look that we have. And next will be contour of the nose, and I'm using the contour powder that I use for my eyes and just contouring my nose with a clean brush. Yep, just like that. And make sure that everything's blended. And I'm just bronzing my face with NYC bronzing powder. And next will be blush, and I'm using MAC cream blush or powder. No, it's not a powder, it's a cream base. You can use it for eyeshadow, lipstick, or whatever, or cheeks. It's very versatile, and I'm using a stippling brush for that. Just stippling it on my face. I put it in the back of my hand first because this is really pigmented, as you can see. And then next is highlighter, and I'm using Ofra highlighter, and I'm using two brushes for that, a big one and a small one. Big one is just to put the highlighter on my face, and then smaller one for precision highlighting. Yes, next will be my lips, and I'm using Estée Lauder lip liner in red, obviously, and I didn't overline my lips because I don't like it on me, but you can because that's your face and it's your choice. Next will be red lipstick, and I'm just, this is from L'Oreal and it's a limited edition, so I don't know if they're still out there. No. Lastly, just setting my face with a setting spray.
So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and also don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and also don't forget that you are loved and you are not alone. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.